in, it's been rejected, and it looks like it has settled above this line now. This line will now form a support. So where could copper be heading to next? As long as it doesn't break this 134 price, then potentially.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. We are going to have a look at copper and palladium chart today. We are going to see where they've traded over the week and where they could be potentially head over the coming few days and the week. So we'll start with copper. So over the monthly view, copper is in the green at the moment. So over the month in the green. We have got this parallel channel which we are watching closely. Copper is still trading within this parallel channel, and potentially it could be forming some sort of bull flag at the upper end of this parallel channel. Okay, so let's go into the daily and have a closer look. So on the daily, what we have drawn in is this line here, which is trading upwards. We can see we've touched it here, touched it a few times here, and then we've got these two parallel channel that we've drawn in as well. So we can see you've had a touch here, a bounce to the top here. It's trying to break out, but it hasn't. It's not managed to break it. It's come back in, and obviously you've got this support trend line here. It seems to have bounced around here. You've got plenty of resistance around this area, which is the 135. Okay, so that area there is a lot of support. I saw a lot of resistance. We've managed to get above it, and then we've run into this trend line, which is going down. You can see it's built up some consolidation just underneath it, and it's popped above it. So let's just go a little bit closer. So as it's popped above it, it's come back in, it's touched it a few times. It's tried to go back in, it's been rejected, and it looks like it has settled above this line now. This line will now form a support. So where could copper be heading to next? As long as it doesn't break this 134 price, then potentially you could return back to the high of 141. Okay, so let's keep an eye on that. Let's see if it can build that consolidation on top of this trend line and then make its way back to 141. Okay, let's just have a quick look at the 1 hour. Let's see if there's anything we can spot there. So on the 1 hour, okay, so you had this wedge pattern which was forming, but again we've popped slightly above it. Okay, popped above it, and let's see if we can build that consolidation and head higher. Okay, let's go now into palladium. Let's have a look at palladium and let's see where that's trading. So on the monthly on palladium, we are green at the moment. However, as you can see, parallel channel, we've broken it, we have confirmed, and now we are in this lower area here. However, this area here, as you can see, there's plenty of support. Okay, we haven't quite touched the lower part, which is the 11 area, but we haven't touched it. We're still above it. So what we'll do is let's go into the daily. So on the daily, we've had this wedge pattern that's formed. It's there and just here. You can see we've touched the bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, top. We've finally broken just above it, and it looks like we are now consolidating above it. Okay, so last week I did say we just need to watch this wedge pattern and see which direction it breaks. And as you can see, we have broken to the upper part of this wedge pattern, which is positive for palladium. So I suspect palladium should, if it comes down, probably come down to this zone here, which is, let's call it the 1200. Okay. However, as you can see, we've got a smaller parallel channel that we also traded within. So bottom, top, close to the bottom, top, we'll touch the bottom here, and we could be heading back to the top of this zone here. We do need to break above the 1360. If we can break above it, then we can head much higher on palladium. Okay, let's just have a quick look at the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, so this is the smaller parallel channel that we've drawn in. Okay, this is the top of that wedge pattern. Okay, so as you can see, we broke above it, consolidated, went a bit higher, then we've come back in. Okay, so this is trading now within this smaller parallel channel. So let's see what happens. It might come back in. If it does, if you can hold this zone here, if it does break down, then this area here is where it could be heading, and it should have some sort of support and before it heads back up. But I suspect because we are at the bottom, the lower part of this parallel channel, we could trade a bit higher on palladium. Okay, and that will conclude the chart of copper and palladium for today. If you like the video, if you can like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification to be notified of our latest video, leave your comments, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.